Okay, members, in this lesson we are going to see how do you get angle between two vectors. Now, if you have vector A and you have vector B, if you have this as the angle between them as theta, how we get that angle is always A dot B is always equal to magnitude of A times magnitude of B cos of this angle, cos of the angle between them. Where now, if you divide this by this side, you have your cos theta, from here you can just get the theta. Now, the condition here is if A dot B gives a negative, comma, we get its modulus. So if this one is giving us a negative value, we take its modulus. Let us see how do we handle. If I start with this now, we start this one, its column vector is going to be 4, negative 2, 1. Then this one. Now we start adding the magnitude and then the other product. So let me get the other product first. So A dot B will be equal to 4, negative 2, 1 dot 3, 4, 2. This will be 4 times 3, that's 12. Then this times this plus negative 8. Then plus this and this will give us a 2, which will give you. You see, this will give me 12 minus 8, that's 4, plus this which is 6. So the product is there. Then I get the magnitude of A. Magnitude of A will be the square root. These are vectors. So I get 4 squared plus negative 2 squared, then plus 1 squared, which will give me, this will be 16 plus 4 plus 1, which will give me a root of 21. Then I come to magnitude of B. Would be square root of magnitude of B, I have 3 squared plus 4 squared plus 2 squared, which would be square root of, this would be 16, which would be 29. Now, I come back, now I substitute this formula that now A dot B will be modulus of A. Then cos theta. I want theta. So A dot B is already has a 6 equal to modulus of A is root 21 times modulus of B, which is a root 29, then cos theta. From here I start now. My cos theta will be equal to, get this, get these ones, divide them there. So you have 6 over root 21 times root 29. And starting here, your theta will be cos inverse of 6 over root 21 root 29. And the answer you get here is, you get your calculator, give your answer to 4 decimal places. When I press it there, I have 21 times 29. Answer 6 divided by answer, then shift cos of that answer. So here I have 75.93 degrees to 4 decimal places. I need 2 decimal places. We give angles to 2 decimal places. When I come to this deal, I need now the dot product of these 2 vectors, which will be dot product. Now P is missing the I mean the J. So it means it's 0, then K is 1, then dot Q, which is negative 4, 1, 2. When I dot this will be negative 8 plus 0 plus 2, which will be negative 6. Now I come to modulus of P, which will be square root of P is here, 2 squared plus 0 squared, then plus 1 squared, and that will be root of, this will be 4 plus 0 plus 1, which will give us 5. Come to modulus of now Q will be square root of, we have negative 4 squared plus 1 squared, then plus 2 squared, which will give us square root of, this is 16 plus 1, that's 20 plus 1, which is 21. Then I know that the angle is going to be given by P dot Q equaling to modulus of P times modulus of Q, then cos of that angle. But now I'm seeing that my P dot Q is negative. Since it's negative, we say we get its modulus. So now from here I have modulus of negative 6. We take the modulus, then equaling to modulus of this, which will be root 5 times root 21, then cos of theta. If you divide through, so that now your cos theta will be, modulus of this will be 6 over root 5, then root 21. So from there, all we do, we get your calculator and then we say, you press that on the calculator. So the answer here I'm having is that my theta will be cos inverse of 6 over root 5 times root 21. The answer I'm having is 54.16 degrees to the small places. What we are learning here is, if this is negative, we take the modulus. Modulus of negative 6 is 6. From here you get the 6. So that's what we learn if it's a negative. So that's how we get the angle between two vectors. I wish you the best.